Did you know that top universities reject thousands of straight A students every year? Why? Because getting in is not just about grades, it's about strategy. How would you like to crack the code and secure a spot in Harvard, Oxford, MIT, or the Ivy League? Meet the Global University Preparatory Program, specially designed for ambitious high school students who want to stand out and succeed. This program is your step-by-step guide to getting into the world's top universities. We focus on two things: understanding top universities, learn more about courses, admissions, scholarship, and what makes each university unique. Building a winning profile, because grades are just about 40% of the equation. What about the rest? Leadership, extracurriculars, essays, and recommendations. We help you choose the right activities to boost your application, craft powerful essays that grab attention, and get internship and leadership opportunities that help showcase your strengths. And this is not just for the Ivy League schools. If you are aiming at getting into the top universities in GCC, India, or worldwide, this program sets you up for success. The future belongs to those who plan for it. With the Global University Preparatory Program, you will have the support, strategy, and skill to turn your dream into a reality. Are you ready to take the first step?